Okay, everybody, here's a tutorial on how to get yourself set up with a gallery of your own so you can start displaying some of your artificial intelligence generated artwork here in AltSpace. All you have to do is launch AltSpace, the app, create your account, and once you're logged in, on the very first page, click on Enter Code on the left-hand side. And here, go ahead and enter in the code I've given you, which it's right here, the ITZ359, and click Enter. Now you can enter the world. And once it loads up here, you will see the information on the right-hand side of the screen. I've given you a URL that you can go to. It's not clickable, so you'll have to access it on your phone or on another device. Just go to that URL in your browser, and you will see a form that you need to fill out in order to get access to a blank version of this template. In that template, you won't see any of the images that you see here. It'll just be the building, and then you'll be able to fill it up with all of your own artwork. I'll explain how to do that. Okay, so now I will have you navigate to the website address that I gave you so that you can request access to a gallery template from me. Once you arrive there, this is the form that you will see. I'm asking for your AltspaceVR display name, the top of what we call you, and also your AltspaceVR username. This way I can give access to you, and you will have this appear as a template in your template gallery when you create a world. Go ahead and submit this form, and then give me at least about a week to process the request. I may be very busy and I might not get a chance to it, but as soon as I do, I will add you to the list of people who have access to my templates. And you should receive a message in AltspaceVR once you log in that I have given you that access. Okay, the next step, once you have access to the template, is to create a new world in AltspaceVR. Just go ahead and access our website on a PC or a mobile device and go to altvr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in and then click on Worlds, My Worlds, find your world in your universe, and create a brand new world. Here, go ahead and give it a cool name so we know that it's your gallery. Type in a description, maybe letting us know which AI generator you used and that you're part of the AI Gallery Hub. And here on Template, you'll need to select Art Gallery Template from Faye. That will appear for you once I have granted you access. You can go ahead and click Create World now. And now the next time that you log into AltSpace, you'll be able to go to Worlds, My Worlds, and you will have access to this. If it's possible that this is a brand new account of yours and you've never actually had a chance to enable Worlds Beta, we do need you to do this. You can find this by clicking on the settings, the triangle menu on the left, and then go to Settings and General, and see where it says Enable Worlds Beta. Go ahead and click that to make sure it turns blue. Once you log back in, suddenly you'll have access to everything that we've been talking about. Next, I'll show you how to go ahead and upload your photos and place them in your gallery. I'll have you navigate back to altvr.com and see at the top here where it says Photos. Go ahead and click on Photos and click on Upload. From here, you can click on Choose File, and you can upload files either from your phone or from your computer. Remember, you need to have saved your photos from your AI art generations, and you can do that in Discord just by clicking on any of the images you've created and saving them. So we're going to click on Choose File and navigate to the section where all of your images are. Choose one and click Open. We don't have to give it a name or a hashtag. That's totally okay. Just click on Create Photo. Now that my photo is uploaded, I will be able to access this in AltSpace and add it to my gallery. Okay, so now that you have uploaded your photos, all you have to do is come into your gallery in AltSpace. So just go to Worlds, My Worlds, and find the world that you have created. And once you've entered, you can go ahead and place photos. So let's go over here. We'll go to World Editor and Editor Panel and Mine and click on Photos. And here you can click on the photo you just uploaded. And now you have it there. So you always want edit mode to be on. It'll be orange if it is on. That way you'll get this little box whenever you put your cursor over the top of the photo that you're trying to move. And now you can go ahead and click the X button because you just want this out of the way, but you still want to keep editing, keeping edit mode on. And now we can click and we can move it. And what's really nice with 2D mode is it will go in the direction that we're facing. It'll rotate on its own, which is nice. So if we're facing the direction we want to go on the wall, it's pretty simple. We just click our left mouse button and hold and move. And while we're holding, we can scroll our scroll wheel to make things bigger or smaller. And then we can also use WSAD in order to move our character. And we want to position it so that it is just right on the wall, basically. So I'm going to put my microphone down while I do this. Just watch how I work on positioning. You will also notice that I have rotation tools that I will make use of. And just positioning it until I'm happy. So here we go. Now that I have it positioned the way I want, I just open up the menu again and click off of the edit mode. And now it's in my gallery. Let's do one more. And there we go. I have 2 pieces in my gallery. So hopefully I've given you all of the information you need in order to create your own artificial intelligence art gallery here in AltspaceVR and showcase all of the images that you've created that you would like to share with other people. I'm just showing you my gallery right now. I did a section Disney Princesses as Cats and another section called She Is Now a Part of All Things. This part of the gallery was based on the feeling that I have about my mother passing away, because now that she's passed away, she's part of all things. So as you can see, the women here are part of the clouds, part of the flowers, part of the scenery, part of the background, part of all things. I can't wait to see what you guys create, and I can't wait to feature them in the AI Gallery Hub that I'm creating. So, looking forward to connecting with you. Thank you.